Hello. So now I'm gonna talk about the labels. So labels are basically names that you can give to the loops. So let me give you an example of a question. So let's say I want you to find if I roll two dices, right? If I roll two dices, give me a combination of the dice where I will get 8 as the sum of the numbers as the sum of the numbers on the dice. So let's say the first die is 1 and the second dice I got 2. So if I sum it up, I'll get 3. So I don't want that. I want a combination where I'll get 8 as a sum. But I only need 1. So the moment I got that, I want you to terminate the program. I want you to stop the program. So you might do something like this. Int I equals 0. You can just use a simple, sorry, you need to use 1 here because the dice doesn't have a 0. So you start at 1, then you go until 6. So you create a nested loop, and inside I use j as 1, then j must be smaller than or equal to 6, then increment the j. If j plus 1, oh sorry, I is equals to 8, then just print I plus j. Oops, I plus j. So I'm making a lot of mistakes. So if I found a combination where the sum will be 8, I just break. So let's see does it work. Yeah, it works, but as I told you, I only need 1. I don't need more than 1. So first of all, why do you think it happened even though I use break here? Well, it kind of happens like this. So what will happen is when you use break, it will only break the loop it is within. So the most nearest loop for the break is this. So only this loop will be terminated. But what you want is you want to break this whole loop. So you want to break the whole thing. So in these cases, you can use the label statement. So by the way, um, if you use break, you will break the number that will come after this. So let's say 5 is you found that 5 with 3 you'll get 8, right? So you won't check 6. So the break is used for the second number only. So label, right? You give a name for this outer loop. How? You just give a name and you use these two dots. I'm sorry for I don't know the name, but you use these two dots, and that's all. So the outer loop is the name given or the label given for this loop. So now instead of just break, you tell break outer loop, and let's try to run it. And now you only get 1. So this is one of the benefit of using label statement. Thank you.